um, and go church, and go relationships. So, all right. So this is going to show how two people are related. Keep in mind that both people you have to have access to, and you should be logged in. So you can do it between yourself and another person, or if you want to see how two of your cousins are related, you could do that. Keep in mind that you should be logged in, and you have to have a close enough relationship to both people in order to see all their connections. So I'm going to go, let me do this. John, I'm not, let me do, I don't even know how these two people are, so let's see. So you can do find any relationship, find a close relationship, find all possible relationships. So sometimes this is a little bit unintuitive, depending on how you do these things. So if you don't find a relationship between two people that you would expect, then just change how what you've selected. So you found a relationship. So it's his elder. So basically, his older brother and it's his son. So that would be his nephew. So if you find all relationships versus ancestors, it's going to show other brother and then son. And then if we do find closest relationships, and it's probably not the best example, so let me see if I can find another example. Let me do this. Okay, so I used my mother to this person who was my great aunt's son. So for my mother, it goes to her mother, which was her younger sister, which was my mother's aunt, and then her son. So that's how that relationship works. So that's what these two selected. Now you can go change these, and sometimes depending on how the relationships work, you're going to see a slightly different view. It's sometimes a little bit confusing. Like I said, it's not always intuitive. Close relationships are going to be usually delivered the same, but as you start getting more lineage, you're going to see something different. So here we go. So if you do in your relationship, it's going to show other things, brother-in-laws. So it will show different stuff, and then we'll show that group of family when you select any relationship and all possible relationships. So that's going to change that. So obviously this is the first cousin, and then from there it goes all relationships down the line. So and then you can see each of those things down that way. So like I said, it's not quite intuitive, but it is interesting. Primarily, you want to see find relationships versus ancestors, and that will show you the simple relationship and how two people are connected, either between yourself and another person or between two people that you might know.